Hi guys, this is Jackie from the Builderall team. In our previous sessions, we took the live on demand room with chat and login and we broke it up in 4 parts. In this session, I'm going to show you what it looks like as if you are the person attending the webinar. So I'm going to go to the dashboard. Please note that you've got a few options here. The first one is to edit. Then we've got the embed function, and the admin panel, and the 3 little dots, which is duplicate, transfer, and delete. So for now, I'm going to click on the embed. You can choose to embed the code on your Cheetah site, or you can grab the direct link. I'm just going to grab the direct link for now. I'm going to go to the admin panel. We'll see that we are ready. The video is ready to go live. We've got our open chat moderation tool, and you can even add additional call to action buttons right here. But I'm just going to leave it at ease, and I'm going to open up the moderation tool. We're opening it up because we are getting ready for our webinar. So I'm going to go paste in the code, and I'm going to pretend that I am the user. And I'm hit send. And for the purpose of this exercise, I'm going to mute this video. We know that the video is about 10 seconds long, and you can see my scheduled timer there. And for now, as soon as it goes over, the next video, I'm going to pause it, and you will see the ghost users coming up on the side. And keep watching, and you'll see that the buy button that we've created in the previous sessions is going to come up at around 15 seconds, I think. There we go. And I'm just going to hit pause because I want to show you where it goes to. If we click on the button, it's going to the page that we instructed it to go to. There's our Builderall page. Now I'm going to add a message. Hi, let's say just hi there, Jackie 1, and I'm going to hit, and let me do another one. How are you? Let's go back to the moderation tool. Here you can see how are you, hi there Jackie, and you can approve it, and you can even respond to it. Hi there Jackie 2, and we'll enter. I'm going to close the moderation tool and go back to the webinar. You can see there is the 2 that you've approved and the 1 that you responded to. So now we're going to hit play again. And I'm going to fast forward it to the end and see where it goes. And now it's going to go to the website that we told it to go. Alright, so let's go back to our Gmail account, to whichever account you've got, and you can see it's asking to confirm your email address, and you will see it's been confirmed. Let's go back to Mailing Boss. Just going to refresh the page, and here we are. It is confirmed right here. And that is how it would look like in the live on-demand room with the 4 parts together.